Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Busola here today, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below and like my videos if they're really helpful to you. So thank you for coming. So today I'm going to be showing you a very easy style you could do with your braids or your kinky braids, and it's just going to take you less than 5 minutes. So stay with me people and let's get this done. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is already in a very nice drop down style, and you can see that I'm slaying with it. So I'll just run you through the hairdo. So very quickly, I'm gonna section my hair to a front compartment, yeah, like this. As you can see, I just sectioned the hair, the front section, and then I'm just gonna hold it down with my hairband or my rubber band. So I'll put that aside. Okay, and then the back, I'm just gonna pack the back up and neat and nice. So as you can see me packing it up. Yeah, this is the kind of rubber band we have in Nigeria, so it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna bend this up like this. So yeah, bend it up like that, and then I could just take down the front compartment and just drop it to the side. And I have me a sleigh style for my wig. So what do you think about this? It's a very easy style. It took me less than 2 minutes to get this done. All I did was just section the front and glam, you slay. So people, if you like my video, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below and let me know if you want me to do a DIY on a style you saw somewhere. I can tell you they're very easy styles for you to do and for you to rock. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining. Bye.